Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Booksy and The Cut, two popular booking apps for barbers and beauty professionals. So Booksy is a comprehensive schedule platform that allows clients to book appointments online while providing business owners with tools to manage their bookings, payments, and customer relationships, making it a go for salon and barbershops. While The Cut is a barber-focused app that simplifies appointment booking, offering features tailored specifically for barbers such as appointment scheduling, payment processing, and customer management. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Booksy and The Cut, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might also get rewards and discount upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about their core focus, Booksy focuses on booking and scheduling platform for beauty and wellness business, while the Cut app focuses on appointment booking app specifically for barbers. For appointment scheduling, Booksy offers client bookings, rescheduling, and cancellation. The Cut app offers clients can easily book, reschedule, and cancel appointments. For payment processing, Booksy have integrated payment option including contactless payments, while the Cut apps, they support payment collection directly through the app. For business management, Booksy provides marketing tools and analytics, inventory management, while the Cut app, they have a simple dashboard for appointment tracking and customer management. For client management, Booksy have detailed client profiles, loyalty programs, and reminders, while the Cut have client profiles with appointment history and notes. For the online presence, Booksy have customizable business profiles for promotion. For the Cut, barbers can create detailed profiles and portfolios. For app availability, Booksy is available on both iOS and Android with desktop access. For the Cut, they have available on iOS and Android apps, but the Cut app, the Cut website, I think they have not. They don't have any. You can't use it on the website. For notification and reminders, Booksy have automated text reminders for clients and staff, while the Cut app sends appointment reminders and notification to clients. For marketing tools, Booksy have social media integration, promotion, and loyalty programs, while the Cut app, they are primarily focused on client reviews and word-of-mouth marketing. Lastly, for multi-location support, so Booksys, they support multi-location business, while the Cut app, they are primarily for single-location barbershops only. So that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to pricing. When it comes to pre-plans, so Booksy, no, they have paid plans only. For the Cut app, yes, free for clients. Barbers can use a free tier. For paid plans, so Booksy starts around $30 per month for businesses, while the Cut app, as in free for clients, but barbers can pay a monthly subscription of $20 per month. When it comes to transaction fees, Booksy have 2.6% plus $0.1 per transaction, while the Cut app, their transaction fees, they have standard processing fees for payments. For premium features, Booksy includes extra marketing tools and reporting features for higher plans like business, while the Cut app, basic features available on the free plan with more option for paid subscription. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to the performance. When it comes to ease of use, Booksy is intuitive, though feature-rich app suitable for various service providers. While the Cut, they are simple, user-friendly interface designed specifically for barbers. For speed and reliability, Booksy is reliable, but occasional bugs have been reported. While the Cut app, they have a fast and lightweight with fewer performance compliance. For scalability, Booksy is suitable for small to mid-sized businesses, multi-location support, while the Cut app is ideal for individual barbers and small barbershop. And lastly, for integration and customization, Booksy have extensive features that requires a learning curve, but the Cut app, they have minimal learning curve, easy to set up for barbers. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer and support. For availability, Booksy is available on email and in-app chat support Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. only, while the Cut app, their email support typically available during business hours only. For support channels, Booksy, they have in-app chat, email, and knowledge base. The Cut, they have email and fax. So they don't have in-app chat support. For response time, Booksy is generally responsive, though times may vary, while the Cut app is very quick to respond, especially for premium users. For community and resources, Booksy have help center with tutorials, community support, while the Cut app, they have basic help articles and facts available. So that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start with Booksy. When it comes to pros, Booksy have comprehensive booking platform tailored to the beauty and wellness industry. They offers a variety of marketing tools like social media integration and promotion. And lastly, they have advanced client management features like loyalty programs and detailed profiles. When it comes to cons, Booksy pricing is higher than some competitors, especially for businesses that just starting. They have a wide range of features that can feel overwhelming with a steeper learning curve. And lastly, their transaction fees may add up for smaller businesses handling numerous payments. So yeah, that's it for the Booksy pros and cons. When it comes to the Cut pros and cons. When it comes to pros, the Cut is simple and it is focused on barbers only with no extra clutter and unnecessary features. When it comes to pre-plan, they have it available, making it accessible to barbers starting out. And lastly, they offers a user-friendly platform that doesn't require much time to learn, so minimal learning curve. When it comes to cons, the Cut lacks the advanced marketing tools and business management features found in other platforms, just like Booksy. They are limited to the barbering niche, so it's not as versatile as other service-based business. And lastly, their customer support options are more limited compared to larger platforms like Booksy. So yes, that's it for the Cut pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Booksy. Booksy is referable for someone who owns or manage a beauty, wellness, or spa business with multiple employees, someone who needs advanced tools for client management such as loyalty programs and in-depth profiles, someone who requires strong marketing tools to grow their business and attracts new clients, and lastly, someone who is comfortable with paying for a feature-rich platform that supports multi-location business. So if you have all of these qualities, Booksy is the choice for you. For the people who should choose the Cut is referable for someone who is an individual barber or runs a small barber shop looking for a simple appointment management app. Someone who prefers a straightforward or an easy to learn platform with minimal complexity. Someone who is just starting out and prefers a low cost or free plan until their business grows. And lastly, someone who doesn't need advanced marketing tools but values clients' reviews and simple payment processing. So if you have all of these qualities right here, the Cut app is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms, Booksy and the Cut, cater to different service professional. Booksy is ideal for business and wellness business that a beauty and wellness business that requires comprehensive features like client management, marketing tools, and multi-location support. On the other hand, the Cut app is perfect for barbers who need a simpler, more focused platform without the extra features. Whether you're looking for a versatile business management tool like Booksy or a streamlined solution for barbers like the Cut, both platforms offer effective ways to manage appointments and grow your client base. So try out Booksy if you need a robust platform for your business, or give the Cut app a shot if you're looking for more specialized tools for barbers. And yes, that's it. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next